This is my 2015 Range Rover, and it is in pristine condition. At least the outside is. Unfortunately, the inside, especially the interior window switch plate, has not fared so well. What I was looking hopefully to do was to fix this up without having to replace the entire plate, which would be prohibitively expensive. And I came across an actual really simple solution. So the solution I found was very inexpensive and actually turned out really well, and that is basically matte vinyl stickers. I cut it out into the shape to fit the front and the rear switches. Fits perfectly in there, covers up the scratches, and as you can see, it is significantly improved and took only just a few minutes to do. This is something that you can really apply to any part of your car's interior trim that has matte plastic, or matte black plastic I should say. Hopefully this was helpful, and if you have any suggestions or any other techniques that you've used to repair your interior trim pieces or switches in your vehicle, please put it in the comments down below. Thank you.